Why Dubai decided to build the deepest swimming pool ever created. Imagine diving into a pool so deep it feels like entering an underwater city. Dubai, famous for breaking records, now boasts the world's deepest pool, a marvel of engineering and design. But building a 60-meter deep aquatic wonder wasn't easy. Today we uncover how engineers turned this dream into reality. 1. The vision behind Deep Dive Dubai. Dubai has always been a city of records. Tallest towers, largest malls, and now the deepest pool. The project, called Deep Dive Dubai, was conceived not just as a tourist attraction, but as a hub for professional divers and underwater explorers. The vision was simple yet ambitious: create a pool that could simulate real underwater environments, from sunken cities to caves, all in a controlled setting. Unlike standard pools, this one needed to accommodate scuba divers, free divers, and even underwater filming. Engineers wanted a structure that felt natural, immersive, and safe. They planned to make it 60 meters deep, equivalent to a 20-story building submerged underwater. But the challenge wasn't just the depth. It was designing a pool that could hold 14 million liters of water while allowing divers to explore without feeling confined. The project required creativity, advanced engineering, and a bold approach to materials and design. 2. The engineering challenges. Building the world's deepest pool was not as simple as digging a hole and filling it with water. Engineers faced multiple challenges from the start. Water pressure was the first major issue. At 60 meters deep, water exerts enormous pressure on walls and floor, over 6 times the pressure of a standard pool. Ordinary concrete would crack, so the team designed reinforced, high-strength concrete walls that could withstand this pressure for decades. Structural stability was another challenge. The pool needed to accommodate underwater caves, tunnels, and even a sunken city replica. Engineers had to calculate the weight of water, the pressure on walls, and ensure that the structure remained stable during temperature changes. Then, there was water circulation and filtration. With millions of liters, keeping the water clean, clear, and safe was a monumental task. Engineers installed a state-of-the-art filtration system capable of cleaning the entire pool in just 6 hours, using advanced chemical treatments that were safe for both divers and the pool's artificial environment. Even lighting presented a challenge. To create a realistic underwater experience, lighting had to penetrate deep waters without scattering or dimming, while highlighting structures for divers to explore safely. 3. Innovative design elements. Deep dive. Dubai isn't just deep, it's designed to feel like an underwater world. The designers incorporated artificial caves, tunnels, and a sunken city to make divers feel like they're exploring an unknown world. Each feature required careful planning to ensure structural integrity and safety. The sunken city itself is an engineering masterpiece. Built using reinforced materials, it contains streets, vehicles, and buildings, all scaled for divers. Engineers had to calculate how water pressure would affect each structure and ensure they wouldn't collapse. The pool's filtration system also doubles as a heating system. Water is kept at a comfortable 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing hypothermia for divers even at 60 meters. Temperature uniformity was crucial because differences could cause currents, which would be dangerous in deep dives. Another innovative feature is the 3D underwater mapping and guidance system, allowing divers to navigate through tunnels and caves safely. High-resolution cameras monitor the pool, ensuring emergency teams can respond quickly if needed. The pool also includes training zones for scuba certification, free diving, and underwater photography. By combining recreational and professional diving needs, Deep Dive Dubai became both a tourist attraction and a global diving hub. 4. Materials and construction techniques. The choice of materials was crucial. Engineers used special reinforced concrete mixed with additives to resist cracking under extreme water pressure. Steel reinforcement bars were carefully positioned throughout the walls and floor to distribute stress evenly. Waterproofing was another critical factor. Engineers applied multiple layers of advanced waterproof membranes to prevent leaks, which would have been catastrophic for a pool holding 14 million liters of water. The construction team also employed precision excavation techniques. Digging 60 meters down in Dubai's sandy soil required stabilizing the surrounding earth to prevent collapses. Engineers used temporary retaining walls and continuous monitoring to ensure safety during construction. Inside, artificial structures, buildings, tunnels, and obstacles were prefabricated off-site, then carefully lowered into position. 5. Safety and technology integration. Safety was a top priority. The pool includes multiple emergency exits at different depths, allowing divers to surface quickly if needed. Pressure sensors monitor structural integrity in real time, alerting engineers to any potential issues. High-tech cameras and tracking systems keep an eye on divers at all times, while oxygen and emergency air systems are strategically placed throughout tunnels and caves. Divers can communicate with surface teams via underwater radios, ensuring a safe, controlled environment. The lighting system simulates natural sunlight, guiding divers without causing disorientation. Temperature sensors, flow controllers, and air monitoring work together to create a perfectly balanced underwater environment. Deep Dive Dubai merges human engineering, technology, and imagination, creating a space where divers can experience the thrill of exploration in total safety. 6. The final result. The final result is breathtaking. A 60-meter deep pool holding 14 million liters of water, with caves, tunnels, and a fully immersive sunken city. Divers describe it as stepping into an underwater world straight out of a movie. It has become a hub for freedivers, scuba trainers, and underwater photographers from around the globe. Record-breaking dives, training programs, and underwater filming all take place in this controlled yet expansive environment. The pool proves that with vision, technology, and innovative engineering, humans can turn even the most ambitious dreams into reality. Deep Dive Dubai isn't just a record holder. It's a testament to human creativity, precision, and imagination. Conclusion. Deep Dive. Dubai is more than a pool. It's an underwater adventure, a training ground, and a record-breaking feat of engineering. From reinforced concrete walls to a sunken city replica, from advanced filtration to temperature control, every detail was designed to push the boundaries of what's possible. For divers, it's a playground. For engineers, it's a marvel of design and problem-solving. It shows that when human ingenuity meets bold ambition, there's virtually no limit to what can be created, even an underwater world 60 meters deep. So, the next time you think about Dubai, don't just imagine skyscrapers or luxury hotels. Think about a pool where you can dive into a sunken city, surrounded by mysteries and marvels that only human engineering could make possible. Like, share, and subscribe.